I want to tell you something. Nobody told me when I needed to hear it. The people who hurt you, who mocked you, dismissed you, treated you like you didn't matter. They didn't do it because you were weak. They did it because you were kind. And somewhere along the way, your kindness became their playground. I know that feeling. That moment when someone crosses a line and you smile and let it go. Not because it didn't hurt, but because you didn't want to cause problems. You told yourself it wasn't worth it. But deep down, it stayed with you. Here's what I learned the hard way. Disrespect ignored is disrespect approved. And they remembered every single time you let it pass. First, understand what disrespect actually is. It's not about you. It was never about you. It's a test, a quiet calculation. They chose you because something told them you wouldn't push back. That assumption is what needs to change. Not through anger, through stillness, through becoming someone whose reaction they can no longer predict. Second, go cold. Not angry, cold. Anger is what they want. It hands them control. Instead, go quiet. Pull your energy back. Let the warmth leave your eyes. Let the silence sit there, heavy and uncomfortable. Because disrespect needs a reaction to survive. When it meets stillness, it dies. Third, remove access. Quietly, permanently. Don't announce it. Don't explain it. Just slowly become someone they can no longer reach. Less available, less warm, less present. Let them feel the distance without you ever saying a word. That distance is your boundary speaking for you. Fourth, rise. Let them. Watch. The most powerful thing you can do after being disrespected is build. Build so hard and so quietly that by the time they look up, you're already somewhere they can't follow. Not for revenge. For yourself. You don't need to make disrespect expensive through confrontation. You make it expensive by becoming someone worth respecting. Go silent. Go cold. Go build. Subscribe. The void self.